Good day. Today we're excited to introduce the next upgrade to our 2024 GR Supra. This new performance stage 2.5 methanol injection kit with the Titan Motorsports mounting bracket. Special thank you to Titan and Turn14 for supplying us with these parts. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of installing the methanol injection on our GR Supra. Hope you all enjoy. As you can see, we ended up going with the braided kit as we prefer a more durable system as opposed to the nylon lines. We mounted the methanol pump and tank to the bracket as shown and connected the tank to the pump. Next, we unlocked the front cover from the left side of the engine bay to make room for the mat install. We then removed the finisher on the left side going up to the windshield and lifted the lower windshield finisher, as well as removed the train from the lower windshield finisher. Don't know. But Now we'll go over the wiring. The 12 volt DC supply comes from an ignition source that is located on the passenger side. We basically tapped off the 30 amp fuse as shown. Here's the wiring diagram for the Snow Performance Stage 2.5 kit. On the left hand side you have the wires that comes out of the VC50 controller. So the brown, blue and pink wire goes to the pressure sensor. Then you have the purple wire which connects to the low level sensor. The red wire, that is the key on 12 volt, that's where we tapped off the 30 amp fuse that we previously showed. The yellow wire is not used. The black wire is the ground, which we previously shown you all where we would mount that on the passenger side. The green wire goes to the pump as well as the solenoid. So from the pump you would have seen the reservoir connected to the pump on the bracket. From the pump now it then leaves fitting a braided line goes to the solenoid. From the solenoid it has a check valve, and then following the check valve it has a nozzle holder with the nozzle. This completes the system. We then connected the nozzle to the charge pipe and boost pressure sensor to the intake manifold as shown. Thank you all for watching and stay tuned for the next video.